Hi, my name is Jeff Shaw. I am with Nortec Security Control here in the booth at ISE. I am a product manager for ELAN, and today I want to talk to you about our new line of IP amplifiers. The IP amplifiers allow you as a dealer to be more flexible in how you install a system. So we can start with a standalone amplifier. This can just be, it's an 8-channel matrix. You can use this by itself. But the beauty is here we can add a Dante audio networking card to allow you to add multiple chassis to the system to make one big system. So we have an extender amplifier, so you add that to the system, you can add 8 more channels of audio, or you can add a preamp to that system. These can also be used standalone, the preamp with an AVR or a third-party amplifier. The beauty of the system too now, we have a little piece called the local audio source. This is a great little piece that allows you to put this behind the TV where you have customers that might be using an Apple TV or a Roku as their content for that TV. The challenge has been how to get the audio back to the rack from that TV. This will sit behind the TV, you take the audio out from the TV into this, plug it into the network, and now you deliver that back to the main chassis in the system, and you've got that available as a source on the entire system. For more information, visit elanhomesystems.com.